What's up guys, Naveen here. Today I'm back with another video. Today I'm talking about Grofers.com. All of us may be knowing Grofers.com, an online grocery ordering app. It covers all range of groceries, vegetables, non-veg items, food items, other household items, etc. It delivers our products in 1 or 2 days after ordering. It gets all the product. It's good quality of products are here. Also the Grofers packaging and delivering service is also good. Let's move on to the Grofers. Download a Grofers app from the Play Store. I will give the link in the description. Okay, after the installation done, let's open and see the Grofers.com. We have seen how its lowest price guaranteed, easy returns and refunds, home delivery in 13 plus cities, set location manually, use my location, allow, allow, you can see here what's the lowest price it shows us. You can check out your login details, your orders, your card. Grofers cash also, they gives Grofers cash. You can select your offer zone. Let's select for categories like groceries, staples, beverages, home and kitchen, furnishing, household, personal care, breakfast, dairy, biscuits, noodle, baby care, pet care, frozen vegetables. Like I will select some frozen foods ready to cook. Let's see some vegetables: onion, tomato, potato, and see the grocery details: pulses, atta, rice, dry fruits, edible oil, ghee, spices, salt, organic staple. Alright guys, if you want to shop with Grofers.com, go and shop with Grofers.com. Get your household products and many more such items delivered to your doorstep. Just order from the Play Store. Alright guys, go and visit up Grofers.com and enjoy online ordering. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Naveen K Mind.